This is as before Matubo. Daming dalagay. Madaming dalandan. Doon pa yung mga iba kong kasama. Whee! So guys, ito po lahat ng aming mga gamit. Yan! Pero ang mga tao, yan! Yan lang sila. Meron pang isang barangay, nandun pa sa Baybay. Malayo-layo pa. Pero ang mga gamit, apil ka niya. Diba? Madami. So. Hi! We are on the way to Canigao. Nandito na po ang ating pamilya. Hala. La. Dali banan nga at ka na nangugat. Kuya, pwede pa excuse niya.
Gambas ni. Okay.
Alright. Sige, video ini guys. Hamus. Tidak gilid. Hagilid. Dinarapan foam. So guys, parang Christmas tree kami guys. Maguba itong jeep. Kamo. Ano be? Look at that. Look at this. Parang 5 nights ah. 1 night man lang naman.
Kasi mama diskumbyado pa.
Go. This is me before masunog.
Malagpot nga, hindi rin yung release.
Here we are exploring the island
of Canigao.
with these people.
Wow, nakasunso si madam.
Yes naman. Okay lang yan.
Nahiwit isa.
During the photo, during the darkness. You turn to our right. during masusunog version. Is third batch, madami pa ding dala. Hindi ko na talaga alam ang pamilyang ito. Are the white family? Here's the white. The white. The white. The white. Update of my face. Update. Wow! Look! Look at the difference. Look. It's not giving. Look, oh.
Wow, wow, wow! Na ay nag...
Ano pala?
Huwag kang bibitin.
Al sirena! May sirena! Nakatakas! Seren! Seren! Lay! Ayaw lay ha! Lay! Chikas! Chikas! Yay! 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 So, the real definition of summer. Summer! Summer! What a summer! Bawang ba?
Ada mo nabibinan daw ako. Kapalakin shells. 3, go! Wow! Ang hit!
Sayang may warak mag-video. Sana na-video. Ati sa Manalo, ikaw ba yan?
Just the situation right now, guys. We have here, there, here. It's already around 11, quarter to 12, and that's them. We have another here. We have another there, drinking. And so, another room tour here. Another one is sleeping one. We have here the kids. And back is our Lai. Lai is so talkative. Lai. This is Lai. She is not yet sleepy. And the others are sleepy.
Nagpagkasagdawa kami la. Kasal.
Lai, Lai, you is sleep, Lai.
Para pag
Lai.
Pagkuhan na ka na.
Tama na,
Pagkuhan na
Lai.
ba? Pagkuhan na namon. Murod na ko. Kung dito kami sa iya dada. Koy.
Nagpipiyong ka na, Lai. It's me. After the swimming, look at the difference. Good or not good? But it's okay. Hmm?
Ang sip-sip cellphone full, ade.
Give me the water quick. What?
Ayan na.
It's raining now, run.
Hindi yung mata.
This is my body.
Ano yung magka-touchdown?
Guys, we're touching my belly.
As after masunog. This is us after Canigaw. us after Canigaw. Tubod. Okay, bye. Us after Canigaw. Look at the face.
Ah,
The
picture na.
face.
Baba.
The face.
Baliw,
The
may ba?
face. The face.
Pasok.
The faces of everything after Canigaw. So for any after, look at me. Number one. Mga third na mga person. Paborito na. Everyone. Look at that. Kung kahapon masaya ngayon, wala na. Wala nang sasaya. Okay.
So nala tricycle na.
Tricycle na lang. We are back. It is. Fox. Let's go home. Coming home.
Pwede na yung mag-packing.
Magasto nga upod. Hindi ako. Hindi man. Ang 500 mga sinsilyo. Ang daming tao. Me. Ako. Kanigaw. Look. Look. Hi, Naiban. So red. So black, so brown. Alright. So we are here eating. Awang bata. Ulam ay fry.
Pwede man, Ben?
Ulam ulam. Ayaw na ito. Tubig na lang. Wow. Gutom. Wow, dagat. Wow, gutom. Wow, gutom. Gutom ng mga person. Ikaw po, sir. Adi na.
Ang gamot-gamot lubod na.